Put out some feed for my squirrels, and a deer come up and getting it. I put out some treats for my squirrels, and a deer just came and ate all of it. As soon as I walked away, they came right up. They looked at me. They're just a couple feet from me. And they're looking like, I want more. Too late, buddy. They didn't got it all. This is every day in our backyard. Hey, mamas. Hey there, mamas. Did you like your treat? It wasn't for y'all. Here comes another one. Here comes another one. Y'all ate my squirrel's treats. Hey there, babies. Hey there, babies. I have to get y'all some feed too. We live in the city, but it looks like we live in the country. And we have deer like this every day. It's gorgeous to watch. Y'all have a wonderful day. Love y'all.